my head got cut off. What is good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Guess what? Guess what? I found it. I found it. The key, subscribe. You gotta subscribe first, and then we can continue on with this video, y'all. So guys, I will give you a few seconds to subscribe. Hit that notifications button. And then we can get on with this video. So I can tell y'all what I found. Okay. So guys, I found it. As you guys know, I straightened my hair. I graduated. I'm a college freaking graduate. I graduated on May 21st. It was a Monday and it was outside. So here's the story, guys. I straightened my hair on Saturday, blown it out and everything. And I was like, my graduation is outside. I can't be going to graduation with frizzy hair. So I found a product that combated the frizz. It prevented the frizz whatsoever because it was hot that day. Actually, it wasn't even hot. It was kind of like 80-ish something, which is still kind of hot, but up here in Jersey, it's humid. So not only do you have the heat, but you have the humidity. So guys, I was like, I can't be going to graduation with frizzy hair. So I found this product and I want to share it with you guys because I feel like as a natural curly girl, like your hair is so much more easier to frizz up when it's straightened as opposed to when you're relaxed. Because when I was relaxed, I did not have this problem of trying to keep my hair from frizzing up. It just didn't frizz, basically. Okay, so guys, the product that I found is Cheese Straight Guard, y'all. This Cheese Straight Guard. Now let me tell you guys, I've used Chi in the past. Of course, you see me use their Chi Silk Infusion, which I use every time I blow dry and straighten my hair. It gives your hair the silky feel. It's not right now, okay? It was in a ponytail and I went outside and it was very humid, okay? Alright. But it gives your hair that silky, like flowy feel, so it has more movement, it's more lightweight, it's not weighed down by product. So I've used their Silk Infusion. I've also used their Chi Heat Guard, I think it's called, which is the spray heat protectant. But with that, it just made my hair feel like it was rubber, and I didn't like that feel, so I stopped using it and I just went back to my Tresemme heat protectant. So by Cheaper But with another brand, I use their BioSilk Silk Therapy, which is kind of like their Silk Infusion, but it's just by a completely different named label under their brand, I guess you can say. But with the BioSilk, it also made my hair frizz. So I was like, why is my hair frizzing when it never used to frizz before? So I went to the store with my mom and I was like, Chi, okay, I know they got good products because I love their Silk Infusion and it always prevented my relaxed hair from getting frizzy. So I needed to kind of look more into the abyss to find a product to prevent my natural hair from getting frizzy. So I went to like my little beauty store that basically sells everything from hair, body, and dental and hygiene and everything. I don't know what to explain it. I know Family Dollar is like Family Dollar on another level. So I went to that store and I found this. I think it was originally $24, but it was 25% off, so I got it for like $17. Don't try to come for my math. I'm trying to go off of the receipt. I can't remember, okay? So guys, legit what I do when I search for a new product in stores is I will have the product in my hand, I will have my phone in my left hand. Hold on. So I will have the product in my hand and I will have my phone in my right hand because I'm a righty. My bad to the lefties. I can't type my left hand. But I will have the products in this hand, my phone in this hand, and legit I will be searching for this product on my phone, reading the reviews and everything, seeing what the ratings are, seeing what it does, and how it can prevent and how it can accommodate to what exactly I need. So guys, when I searched it, I didn't really find too many natural hair reviews on the Straight Guard, which is kind of weird. But I was like, whatever. It claims to prevent frizz, it claims to keep your hair silky and straight and like exactly how you want it. I can't explain that part either. So I was like, whatever. It's only $17. Again, don't come for my math. So I got it home and I tried it out, and it was basically the best product I ever bought for my natural hair to keep my straightened natural hair as straight and sleek and silky as possible. So how I use this product is pretty much how I showed you guys in my wash day routine. That was the exact same day that I straightened my hair. So when I completely rinsed everything out of my hair in the last few seconds of that video, I went directly into applying my heat protectant, which is my Tresemme Heat Thermal Protectant. I know you guys seen it with the red like little spray thing. Then I went into putting this in. This is a cream, so you don't want to use too much, and like I said, I did not want my hair to be weighed down, so I used as little as possible. Put it in sections in my hair, and then I brushed through my hair, or I combed through my hair with a wide tooth comb. So as you guys seen in that video, I used my Denman brush, so when I went to blow dry, it was way easier for me to just get through it. I didn't have to deal with like the tangles or anything because it was already detangled. So it literally took me 25 minutes to blow dry my hair. Crazy. So after my hair is blow dried, I went back in with this straight guard, and like I said, because it is a cream, you don't want to use too much. So as my hair was blow dried, I put a little bit more of this into the section, so I always start with the back. So I just put it into that section, combed it through with a wide tooth comb or a brush, went back in with the Cheese Silk Infusion, and then I straightened my hair. And straightened my hair, I used a chase method, and my hair was silky straight for about 2 weeks until I put my hair up in a ponytail, and now it looks like this. But y'all, my hair did not get frizzy one time during graduation. It stayed completely the way that I wanted to. I will insert a graduation picture here so you guys can see. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Like I said, I just wanted to share with you this key product I found that kept my hair silky and straight. I will be including this name in the description box, just that way if you guys are looking for it, you guys can find it easily and you don't have to search throughout this video just to get the name of it. So guys, if you like this video, if you find it helpful, or if you found it helpful, or you just wanted to watch this video and see what I was talking about, what this key product was, give it a thumbs up. Also be sure to subscribe right here. I believe it's on this side. I never know. It's that little box with my face in it. And also guys, click the post notifications button so you can get notified whenever I upload. If you have more video ideas, put them in the comment section, or you can message me on Snapchat or Instagram. There was one more thing I wanted to add, guys. So guys, I am trying to get rid of a lot of stuff that I have. I have too much stuff. I have way too much stuff. So guys, I gotta let some stuff go. And no, I'm not selling it on Let Go. I'm selling it on Poshmark. So guys, I have a lot of sneakers, a lot of clothes that I have collected over the years. I just couldn't part with it because I'm basically a mini hoarder. And I don't like to part with my stuff. I like my stuff near me, okay? But I'm selling a lot, almost all of my Jordans on Poshmark. I'm selling a lot of my clothes on Poshmark. But like I said, I do have a lot of Forever 21 clothes that I am selling for cheap. Some are brand new, some still have the tags on. I just tried them on, but I never wore them. My sneakers, the only thing that is really wrong with them is that they have to be cleaned. I don't feel like cleaning them, so if you guys want to spend $50, $55, $60 for a pair of Jordans and you want to put a little arm work into it to make them brand new again, that is up to you. I do hope you buy them because I have too many. I need space. I'm trying to get rid of the old to bring in the new. I'm trying to help me help you. That was so corny. Like I said, check me out on Poshmark. Check out my closet. I will include my reference link or whatever it's called down in the description box. If you sign up using my code, you will get $5 off of your purchase. So just make sure if you want to shop in my closet that you definitely check out that reference code so that way you can save some money on your purchase. That's pretty much it. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in my next one.